Hi everyone, today in front of me I have the Samsung Galaxy A33 smartphone, and in this video we would like to share the top 3 apps that you can possibly get on this device. So let's go ahead and start. The first app is called Stick Around. This app allows you to see if some certain movie has or has not after or during the credit scenes. So let's say, for example, tomorrow you bought the tickets for the new Batman movie, and you want to see if it's worth for you to wait for any hidden during or after the credit scenes, or you can just leave your seat as soon as the movie itself ends. As you can see, the Batman movie does not contain any hidden scenes, and you should not wait for them. For example, let's check some other movie. For example, Adam Project. No as well. Uncharted. As you can see, you should wait for the during the credit scenes, but after the credit scenes are absent. So we are moving on to the next app that is called Unseen. This app allows you to link some of the messengers and get all the messages that you receive on the linked applications to the Unseen app, and being able to read them without the sender knowing that the messages are read. So let me show you what I mean by that. So once we first launch it, we will be provided with some kind of introduction and start information. Here we can choose what messengers we would like to link to the Unseen applications. I'll just go with standard messenger, WhatsApp and Instagram. Grant some permissions to it. So allow. And here we have the Unseen app itself. As you can see, the first step will contain all the messages from all the messengers that are linked to the Unseen. And then you'll have all the tabs for separate messengers. So this tab will contain the Facebook Messenger messages only. This tab will contain WhatsApp messages only. And that is also true for the Instagram tab. There are some very modest settings that you can alter. For example, link new chat apps, link new messengers, and configure notification settings. Next we have the Caffeine app. In prior of showing you what this app does, let me go to the settings, display, and as you will see in here at the screen timeout category, the maximum value that you can set is 10 minutes. So Caffeine application allows you to set this value to never. In order to do that, just open up the timeout section at the Caffeine app and make sure that the infinite value is selected. Once the infinite value is on, that will mean that as long as the Caffeine app is active and running, your screen will not go to sleep automatically, no matter what. Alright, so that was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!